People are risking their lives to save animals from Louisiana floods. Flooding continues to devastate part of Mississippi and southern Louisiana. Locals and rescuers are working hard to make sure that the animals are safe. This picture from last week shows the rising floodwaters have completely engulfed the Louisiana Denham Springs Animal Shelter. Just the roof is visible. The dedicated volunteers and staff worked feverishly to save as many lives as they could from the floodwaters. They eventually opened the kennel doors and let the dogs swim out, and many climbed onto the roof. Boats were then used to move the rescued cats and dogs to drier land. People in the area who did not evacuate their homes and local organizations have been helping the shelter to feed and give temporary shelter to the animals. Work is being done to line up proper foster homes for the displaced shelter animals. A shelter volunteer said that they expect to locate and rescue animals who have not only suffered but also lost their families and homes to the flood. This photo, shared on Facebook, shows a man pulling a boat full of sheep. The sheep were seen later grazing on dry land. So far, 464 animals and 2,300 people have been rescued by agents from Louisiana's Department of Wildlife and Fisheries Enforcement. Search and rescue teams are still out and will remain on alert until the floodwaters recede. The Louisiana State Animal Response Team, LSART, also has members out helping with rescue efforts. If you live in Louisiana and are able to foster one of the animals from the shelter, visit Animal Rescue New Orleans to fill out an application. Share away, people. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.